Install the throttle connector according to the video method. Install the throttle according to the video method. Tighten the bolt securing the throttle. Reconnect the throttle air supplement valve pipe according to the video method. Install the air filter. Connect the wiring harness connector according to the video method. Connect the air supplement valve pipe according to the video method. Note, when installing the lower air filter housing, the fuel tank lock wire must be placed above the frame in advance. Install the other air supplement valve pipe. Install the air filter outlet pipe using a number 5 hex wrench to install 6 fixing bolts. Use a T25 Torx wrench to install 2 bolts fixing the lower air filter housing. Install the air filter upper cover using a Phillips screwdriver to install 10 screws fixing the air filter upper cover. Connect the air filter intake sensor connector. Install the ECU controller back onto the air filter upper housing according to the video method. Organize the wiring harness according to the video method, then secure it with cable ties. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.